It's a large cap company with a market cap of 1,56,000 crores. The company is globally recognized in defense and electronics. Bharat Electronics Ltd was established in 1954 and is a Navratna public sector undertaking. The company possesses expertise in spectrum of activities like design, development, manufacturing, supply, and life cycle support of strategic electronic products and systems. They have dedicated, built innovative and ingenious solutions, mainly catering to defense sector. They have a prominent position in Indian defense segment and are making inroads into the civilian segment while also expanding the defense operations in the international markets. So under defense segment, they've got expertise in radar and fire control systems, weapon systems, communications, network-centric systems, electronic warfare systems, avionics, anti-submarine warfare systems and sonars, electro-optics, tank electronics, gun upgrades, strategic components, and they have diversified into arms and ammunition, seekers and missiles, network and cybersecurity, and unmanned systems. Their 87% of revenue is contributed by the defense, and non-defense contributes about 9% of the revenue. So defense revenue stood at 15,000 crores in FY23, while non-defense segment contributed 1,500 crores in FY23. So sale of products contribute about 90% of the revenue, while services compose 10% revenue. So sales of product was about 15,500 crores and income from services was about 1,700 crores. In terms of financials, they had a turnover of 17,300 crores in FY23 with a EBITDA of about 4,000 crores. They had a capex spending of 541 crores, and 87% of their turnover was from the defense supplies. They've got intellectual capital of about 1,000 crores with an R&D team of 2,500 employees, while their entire employee strength is 8,800 employees, and the turnover per employee is about 1.96 crores. They have spent about 57 crores in CSR budget with 12.5 lakhs as their CSR beneficiaries, and in terms of overall energy consumption, 48.8% is contributed by the green energy. So in terms of financial capital, they have employed about 12,000 crores, and their manufacturing capital has 9 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities across the country, and they have collaborative working with Indian Armed Forces and other civilian organizations. And in terms of Make in India partners, they have supported MSMEs, startups, and Indian corporates with a capex of 541 crores. And their intellectual capital is also robust, with about 242 IPRs filed, out of which 121 patents are there, copyrights are 110, industrial designs are 6, SICLDC are 4, and trademarks 1. They have a human capital of about 8,800 employees, contributing about 1.99 crores in terms of turnover per employee, and in terms of social responsibility, they have spent 57 crores under CSR budget, and in terms of green energy, 48% is contributed by green energy. And in terms of manufacturing capital, 75% turnover is from indigenously developed products, and 87% of the turnover comes from the defense supplies. Intellectual capital, they have 62 new products introduced, 3,224 crores was spent on R&D, with 100 IPRs granted. So now we'll have a look at the key financials of the company. The market cap of the company is about 1,50,000 crores. The current stock price is 214 as of 7th March 2024, with a 52-week high of 216 and 52-week low of 89.6. The stock is trading at a P/E of 43.9 and has a book value of about 20, which means it's trading at 10 times its book value. And in terms of ROC, it is 29.9%. ROE is 22.8%. It's a totally debt-free company with promoter holding of 51.1%. Having a look at the price chart of the company, you may see there's a consistent rise from September 20 onwards. From 35 rupees, it has gone up consistently to about 214 rupees as on date. Having a look at the quarterly performance, the September sales were to the tune of 4,162 crores, which was almost flattish quarter-on-quarter basis, while on year-to-year basis, again it was flat. There was an improvement in operating margins from 25% to 26%. So accordingly, the profit before taxes have increased from 1,041 crores to 1,132 crores. Having a look at the yearly performance of the company, from 5,900 crores turnover in 2012, the company has consistently increased its sales over a period of time, from 5,000 crores to 6,500 crores to 8,656 crores to 12,000 crores to 15,000 crores, which is standing at about 18,000 crores as on date. So accordingly, the profit has also grown from about 847 crores to 1,100 crores to 1,800 crores, and currently it stands at 3,500 crores. So compounded sale growth for last 3 years has been 11%. Compounded profit growth for last 3 years is 18%. Stock price CAGR for last 3 years is 63%, while return on equity for last 3 years is 21%. Having a look at the balance sheet, the company has got a decent reserve of 14,000 crores with a negligible borrowing of 61 crores and about 433 crores being spent on capex. The company has good operating cash flows, which stood at 1,267 crores in March 2023. Having a look at the shareholding pattern, the promoters, which is Government of India, is holding about 51.14% in the company. FIs hold 17.77%, DIs hold 23.37%, while public is holding 7.72% in the company. So this is it about Bharat Electronics Ltd. We'll meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.